Hello and welcome back to today's class. Our task today is to prove that this is this. That is, we should prove that log x base ab equals log s base a times log s base a all over log x base a plus log x base b. But clearly you can see that we cannot prove this one to be this one, but we can prove the right hand side to have the left hand side. So from this right hand side, now let's prove. Remember, if we have log a base b, this equals 1 upon log b base a. Why? The law said that when the log appears as a fraction, the log and the base interchange their position. So clearly you can see that this a is now here and this b is going up. So they interchange their position. So let's apply this rule here now. If we have x base a, from here we are from the right hand side, we are having 1 upon log a base x times 1 upon log b base x, all divided by 1 upon log a base x plus 1 upon log b base x. All right, what next is to find the LCM. The denominator, we have to find the LCM here in this denominator. The denominator, we have to find the LCM. So from here, if we multiply this, we know that we are having 1 upon log a base x and log b base x all over. From here, if we take the LCM, we use this to multiply this, and multiply the denominator. So log b times x, log b base x times 1 gives us log b base x plus log a base x times 1 gives us log a base x all over. Log a base x times log b base x gives us log a base x multiplied by log b base x. All right, let's go. Remember, we are trying to prove the left hand side. So from here, we know that they'll flip because they are dividing. This denominator, this one here comes up and this one comes down. So we have this is 1 upon log a base x into log b base x. All right, times, let's use here, times from here, we know that times this one here is going up. So we have log a base x log b base x all divided by this one, all divided by this log b base x log a base x all divided by log b base x plus log a base x. All right, so clearly you can see that the whole of this here can cancel the whole of this. So we are left with just 1 by log b base x plus log a base x. So clearly we can see that from here, from the laws of logarithm, say that if we have log a plus log b, that since we are adding and the base are the same, we take one of the base and multiply the log. So a times b is ab. So from here we are multiplying this since the base are the same. So this implies that 1 by log base x. A times b gives us ab. Wow. And we are done. Okay, this implies that now from here we say that if we have this, the log and the base interchange their position. So this one is coming down and this one is going up. So we have this becomes log x base ab, and this is the left hand side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do well to like, comment, and share this video to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And remember, mathematics is not a spectator sport. No pain, no gain. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.